How to check website traffic on Google Analytics. Have you considered from where your website visitors come? If you're like many website owners, the thought of delving into your analytics is daunting. But wouldn't it be nice to know how these people found your site? Understanding the origins of your website visitors is crucial to comprehending the website's visibility and how your present digital marketing initiatives are performing. Once you understand your website's traffic sources, you'll be able to better understand the digital selling channel and how you can use it to help your website generate more results for your company or organization. To get started, go to Google Analytics and check out your website's traffic sources. In the Reports menu, on the left side of the dashboard, choose Acquisition, then Overview. The top channel pie graphic at the top of the report displays the probability of users visiting your website from each channel over time. Can you explain how it really works? Website traffic is classified into one of several predefined channels. When the Google Analytics tracking code is installed without any additional adjustment, this is a good approach to acquire a high-level picture of where your website visitors' square measurements come from. This is frequently the information seen in the Acquisition Summary report. There's more to it, but we'll keep it easy. Let's go over the channel definitions. What kind of visitors are included, and what you can learn about them. Search for organic ingredients. Visitors click on the link to your website that appears in the search engine results page directly. There's a significant chance that the viewers were looking for something specific, which may be a product you sell or a service you provide. An expensive search. They clicked on a paid ad that directed them to your website on the search engine result page. Only if you pay for search advertising on your website will you be able to see this. More information may be found by going to Acquisition Campaigns Paid Keywords and seeing which keywords boosted these paid advertising visits. Email. They went to your website after clicking on a link in the affiliate email campaign you delivered. They are returning visitors to your website since they have already signed up for your email list. These visitors came as a result of you sending an email campaign with interesting content. And readers clicked on one of every 3 links in the email to visit your site. Social. They arrived at your website by clicking on a link from a social networking site like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. They are not organic browsers because they were most likely scrolling through their feed on a social networking platform when they came across a link to your website, either from a post you produced or from a post created by another user that links to your website. Because of how much time we all spend on social media these days, Google Analytics has decided to isolate this data into its own channel. Referral. This happened when they clicked on a link to your website from another website. It's important looking at the list of other websites that are referring people to your sites, depending on the circumstances. If you can get other high-quality websites to connect to yours, it can be really beneficial. Direct. The direct channel acts as a bucket for visitors, capturing people who typed your website's URL directly into their browser and went straight to your site without visiting another. They're the visitors who remembered your website's URL and went straight to it. If you're spending money on paid advertising in Google Analytics, you must establish a mechanism for tracking the impact of your advertising expenditure. This will entail learning more about creating custom URLs for use in advertising campaigns, so that Google Analytics can correctly attribute sponsored visitors to the appropriate channels.
Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.